Hi, boys and girls. Okay, now for our new grammar lesson, it's all about pronouns. Okay, a pronoun or pronouns replace the nouns. These are examples of pronouns like I, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Okay, let's take a look. First pronoun is I. Now, I replaces my name. Okay, so my name is Lena. I am a teacher. Okay, if you can see the underlined noun here, which is Lena, okay, we replace it with I because I'm talking about myself. Let's take a look at the next one. He and she replace one person. So, he replaces a boy's name. Tom plays at school. He plays basketball. Okay, so Tom is the boy, and we replaced it with he. Okay, she replaces a girl's name. Jess combs her hair. She gets ready for she gets ready to go to bed. So Jess gets replaced with she. Okay? So when it's a girl, we use she. When it's a boy, he. When I'm talking about myself, you use I. Okay. It replaces one thing or one animal. Let's take a look. The bear is big and brown. It has big paws. Okay, so here we have the bear and we replace it. Here we have the bear and we replaced it with it. Let's look at the next one. My book is fun to read. Okay, so my book is fun to read. It has interesting facts. Okay, so we replaced my book with it. Okay, because it's a thing. And the bear is an animal, so we replace it with the pronoun as it. Okay, so a pronoun just takes the place of the noun. That's all it is. Okay, now we have we, they, you. Okay, it replaces more than one person. Let's take a look. We, we replaces yourself and one or more other people together. Okay, so when we say we, you're talking about other people with you included. Okay, so when we're talking about I, you have I included. Okay, you're included. We say we. Okay, so Lily and I went to the movies. We watched a funny movie. Okay, because it's got I, we say we. Let's take a look at some more. They replaces two or more other people or things. Okay, so it does not include you. It replaces, it talks about two or more other people that doesn't include you. So here we have Sammy and Jade built a sand castle. They played with the sand. Okay, so Sammy and Jade, because it's talking about other people. Okay, so it's more than one. Remember, they replaces two or more. Okay, so it's more than one and it doesn't include you. So we say they. You. Okay, when we use you, it replaces the person. So it can be talking about one or it can be talking about more than one. Okay, so it replaces the person or people the speaker is addressing. So when I am speaking to someone, okay, and if I'm talking to that someone, I won't say by his name, I will say you. Okay, are the children listening? Do you understand? Okay, so if I'm talking to someone, I will say you. Let's take a look. Let's play a game. Okay, it's a question board. Let's take a look. Replace the noun with the best pronoun. So let's take a look at the pronouns we have. We have she, he, or you. Let's see what the sentence says. Carl walked to school yesterday. So Carl is the noun. Okay, what are we going to replace it with? She, he, or you? Carl is a boy, so we say he. That's right. He walked to school yesterday. Okay. Here also replace the noun with the best pronoun. Let's take a look at the sentence. Sarah went to the store. Sarah, is it she, it, or they? Yes, it's she, because Sarah is a girl's name. So she went to the store. Replace the noun with the best pronoun. So we have they, you, we. Okay, so they, it's for more than one thing or more than one person. You, when you're addressing someone, when you're talking about someone. And we, you're talking about someone else and including yourself. Simple machines can lift a heavy box. Simple machines. It's more than one thing. They, you, or we. Yes, that's right. It's they, because it's talking about more than one. Replace the noun with the best pronoun. She for a girl, he for a boy, and they for more than one. Okay. Can be more than one thing, it can be more than one animal, can be more than one person. Okay, so here we have Anne and Ed want a garden. Anne and Ed. She, he, or they? Yes, that's right. They want a garden because it's talking about more than one. Okay. Replace the noun with the best pronoun. Okay, so we, remember, we includes I, he is for a boy, and they is for more than one. Okay. Mike and I can ride on one wheel. Here it's got I. Do you remember which pronoun we use when we say we have I? We, he, or they? Yes, that's right. It's we. When it includes I, we say we can ride on one wheel. Okay, now here we have to replace the pronoun with the best noun. Let's take a look at the sentence. We will move the blocks. Remember, when I'm saying we, which pronoun comes with it? Okay, it's talking about it must have I. Okay, it must include I in it. So, my friends and I, Sarah and Jenna, or simple machines. Which one's the correct one? Yes, my friends and I will move the blocks. Okay, because it's got I, we use we. Again, here, replace the pronoun with the best noun. So, let's take a look at the sentence. Are you ready? Okay, so it's obviously talking to a group of someone or a group of people. It's talking to someone, a group. Are you ready? Okay, are my friend ready? Are Lynn ready? Are the players ready? What's the correct one? And look at the picture so it can help you. Yes, that's right. The players. Are the players ready? Okay, so let's just do a quick revision. Remember, a pronoun takes the place of the noun. He replaces a boy. She replaces a girl. It replaces a thing or an animal. Okay, we replaces someone else plus yourself. Okay, so we can say we, or it can be yourself and a group of others, as long as it includes yourself in it. They is a group of two other people or two other things, as long as it doesn't include you. Okay, and you is when you're using it to speak to one person, or it can speak to more than one person. Okay, so it can, when you're speaking to someone else or speaking to you're addressing someone else, you're speaking to someone. I hope you understand, everyone. Keep up the good work. You did well. You did great.